Ernie says. And our hands, just do what Ernie says. Ernie says, touch the part of your face that you smell with.
Face.
Your nose. Right
Nose?
here in the middle of
Nose?
your face.
Nose?
Now Ernie says, touch the part of your face that you hear with. Your ears.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, I said your ears.
Yes.
What? I can't hear you. I have my hands over my ears. Now Ernie says, put your hands on the part of your face that you see with.
No.
Mm-hmm. One eye.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, turn out the lights.
跟晒佢做，爸爸。
Oh, I did.
嚟嚟，心心。
Now Ernie says, put your hands on the part of your face that tastes. Mm-hmm. What could that be? Oh, your mouth. Oh, thanks for playing, Ernie says. See you later.
We're laughing.
Zoe and Elmo's are playing Zoe Says. And you can play too. Yeah. You do whatever I say, but only if I say Zoe Says. Oh yeah, Zoe Says, Zoe Says. Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Zoe.
Zoe says, put one hand on your tummy.
Zoe.
Okay? One hand on tummy.
嗰個叫 Zoe，呢個叫 Elmo。
Put the other hand on your tummy. Okay? Other hand on tummy. Wiggle your fingers. Now